Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of enabling Google Authenticator on Binance using the new method. Let's get started. To begin, open up your Binance application on your mobile device and log into your account. Make sure your Binance account is verified for transfers and account linking. If it's not verified, you won't be able to perform any transfers. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Then click on this little arrow on Profile to access settings. In the Settings menu, select Security. A list of security options will appear. Inside the security settings, find and tap on Authentication app. Next, tap on, and a set of instructions will be displayed. Follow these steps to link Google Authenticator with your Binance account. In the first step, you can either scan the provided QR code or manually copy the 16-digit code for linking purposes. Now, head over to your App Store and search for Google Authenticator. Download and set it up by logging in with your Google account. Inside Google Authenticator, tap on the plus icon, select Setup Key, then type the name. And paste the 16-digit code you copied earlier. Then, paste the newly generated Authenticator code inside Binance to complete the linking process. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled Google Authenticator on Binance using the new method. It adds an extra layer of security to your account. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.